A video quickie from the estate. Today is Janta curfew. There's nobody on the streets. The fencing borders a busy road that passes through my estate. This road normally is hyper busy, but there's nothing. I'll keep quiet for a few moments. You will be able to actually hear all the birds and the bees chirping around. That's Bruno, my dog. Just goes to show that when you take humans out of the equation, animal life too sometimes can feel abnormal, asking the simplest of questions. Where did all the Homo sapiens disappear?